Hello soldiers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to do NumPy splitting array, and this video comes under the series of NumPy series of videos. So let's begin. Splitting NumPy arrays. Splitting is reverse operation of joining, so we are just splitting them. In our previous video we have joined them. So joining merges multiple arrays into one, and splitting breaks one array into multiple. We use array underscore split for splitting arrays. We pass it the array we want to split and the number of splits. So here you can see in this example we are having one dimensional NumPy array. So we are going to use that np dot np. So this is a NumPy dot array underscore split of, so we are just splitting with into 3. So this is a first one, second one and third one. So note the return value is in array containing 3 arrays. So basically this is a big array. In this big array we are having total 3 arrays. So if the array has less elements than required, it will adjust from the end accordingly. So let's run this thing. So we want to split this one dimensional NumPy array into 4, right? So this is a one dimensional first array, this is second array, this is third array. So you can see in this third and fourth array we are having only one element. So if the array has less elements than required, it will adjust from the end accordingly. Note, we also have the method split available, but it will not adjust the elements when elements are less in source array for splitting, like in example above. So array underscore split work properly, but split would fail. So that's why we are using array underscore split. So when elements are less but our work should be done. Split into arrays. The return value of the array underscore split method is an array containing each of the split as an array. If you split an array into 3 arrays, you can access them from the result just like an array element. So here in this example you can see, so this is basically a one dimensional array. So we are just splitting it into a 3. So here we are using what we are using indexing basically. So we are getting that. So here we are having in one big array we are having these arrays, right? So we are just getting them out. Come baby, come out, like that. Splitting 2-dimensional arrays. Use the same syntax when splitting 2-dimensional arrays. Use the array underscore split method. Pass in the array you want to split and the number of splits you want to do. So same thing we are doing for the 2-dimensional array also. Let's see the output. So you can see basically what we got. So this is a first 2-dimensional array, then this is a second 2-dimensional array, this is a third 2-dimensional array, because we are just splitting them into 3, right? That's why. The example above returns the 3 2-dimensional arrays. Let's look at another example. This time each element in the 2-dimensional array containing 3 elements. So let's run this example. So you can see, because we are having total 3 elements in this particular row, right? So that's why we got this thing. The above example returns 3 2-dimensional arrays. In addition, you can specify which axis you want to do the split around. the example below also returns 3 two-dimensional arrays, but they are split along the row axis equal to 1. So let's see. Oh my god, this is what we got right when we are using axis equal to 1. So each element is now a row, right? We are having only one column and these are the rows, all are rows and one column. So an alternative solution is using H split, opposite of H stack. So here you can see import NumPy as NP. Here we are having two-dimensional array, right? So we are just splitting them into 3. Let's see the output. As you can see, similar alternative to V stack and D stack are also available as V split and D split. So you can just explore them. You need to do your practice, then you can understand them in a better way. And that's it for now. Meet you next video. Till then, bye bye.